Hello again, welcome back to the Unloved JDM channel. So this is it, it's time to make a start on this one. As I said in the previous video, if you didn't see it, go back and watch it because you see a little bit more of the garage in that one. It's time to make a start on it, and we're going all the way with this thing. So it's going full restoration, full rebuild, but not to like a basic standard factory spec. We've got permission to go a little bit further and a little bit different. So you will notice at some point behind me, the yellow one's currently here because it's got a little issue with the gearbox going into limp mode. That's a whole other thing that we're trying to do at the same time as make a start on this one. So I'll show you where we're at up to now. So while I've been trying to deal with issues on the yellow car, James has jumped ahead, started taking the interior out of this one. Same on the boot, same obviously rear bumper's off because it's there. In there, lights are off, stuff like that. So we're going to put all these safely to one side so we don't have any issues with storage or anything like that. And then the spit is just stood there, still flat packed at the moment, so I have to build that as well. But this is where she's at. As I said, battery's already out as well. But there we go. What we're going to try and do is get as much of it done as possible in one go today. But also today, which I'll show you in this video, we are expecting the last two pieces to make the Skyline drive as well. So what we might be doing, if we're lucky, is going up to the old garage, hopefully getting the Skyline driving. It runs anyway, as you know. Getting it driving and potentially even bringing it down here. But let's see how the day pans out before we plan too far ahead. In the meantime, let's keep going on this one. No, the conversation was that you should get aircon. And then I says, don't give him that idea. She says, well, he's blowing him instead. It's alright, I'm just filming you, mate. In your eye. I was going for in the plums, actually. In the plums. Look at me floor. I'll just get that in video. You made a right mess of it. Fuck off, you made a mess of it. Honestly. I'll just do it in stages. Yeah? Right. Alright, the moment of truth, let's see how much of it James has forgot to undo. We seem to think, or he seems to think, he's undone everything, so the plan is now to lift it off the engine.
90%.
Is that you like the disclaimer?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Well, he's moved, so it's unbolted, but the entire front end is going together, so let's see how his 90% works out. You ready? Yeah?
Yeah, keep going.
Just got stuck behind the thing. Fancy. 95, I'll give you that one. Not bad, not bad.
Oh, I'll tell you what you can get on camera. Your dad said that I could have
Fuck
a
off.
3D,
Whatever. No.
a 3D grill.
No. Dickhead.
Yeah, a 3D grill for me wagon.
You're a dickhead, aren't you?
He said he's got a couple of them sparing back at the garage.
Did I? A couple of them.
In the spares
In
department.
the spares department, he says, I need to lighten the load so you can have it out.
You are so FOS coming around.
I don't know what FOS is.
Bullshit.
You shouldn't be swearing on camera.
Sorry, can I hit that button as well?
Oh my god, it actually looks like a car.
It looks fucking mental, mate.
Oh my god, it really does look like a car now.
It's mint with that spoiler as well.
Right, well, that's set off a bit sudden, didn't it? I thought it was running. Kind of. I'm straight up at that.
Yeah, but I'm on this side that I'm worried about, mate.
You're like half on, half off on this side.
Yeah, right. Steady. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. You'll be passing that now. Send it.
Scary thing you've done. Mine is. Alright, so after a lot of messing around, a lot of work and a lot of effort, we managed to get the skyline down here. So we've now got that happening at the same time as the FTO up there as well, which is going on spit today, and I'm dying of hay fever today as well, so that's why I look like I do. But never mind, let's get back to it. Right then, onto the spit. Go for it. That was anticlimactic, wasn't it? It's on locker. There you go, she's officially off the ramp then. Sorted, so now we'll be able to roll it onto its side and carry on from there. There you go, she's now finally on the side. First time we've done this with this jig, so it's a little bit weird, but a little bit daunting, but as I say, we are now there. Looks pretty good. The car doesn't look pretty good, if I'm honest, but, you know, what we're doing looks pretty good. I'm way happy with it, that's the main thing. So you can now finally see the bottom side of it properly and see the next sort of port of call, which is all of that. It's not pretty, that, and it's not good either.